Just 6 months ago, almost nobody knew how to use AI. And now in 2026, it is seriously vital for a business to be able to know, understand, and use AI to be competitive. Now, as someone who has embraced AI, as someone who is actually using AI to help other businesses make more money, I'm going to show you the 3 key areas that I highly recommend you start using AI for, because this is what happens in real life. When I go into ChatGPT or Claude or whatever, and I start talking to it, I'm trying to get my work done faster. Just the other day, I was building an Instagram carousel and I started to ask it, hey, can you update this text? Can you do this visual? Can you actually make the carousel for me so I don't have to go into Canva? I kid you not, it took me probably 3, 4, 5 hours to be able to get the carousel to look the way I wanted to. And I was so frustrated because this is the opposite of what AI is supposed to do. And if you're a business owner, time is so valuable. And yet there's other people out there who are able to use AI in these 3 key areas. They're using it for their content. They're using it for their consumables, so whatever products they sell. And they're using it for their customer journey, how they lead people along so that there's a bridge between their content and their consumables. But going back to my example about making an Instagram carousel, it sounded nothing like me. It was buggy, it wasn't working. And that alone can turn so many people off to using it. And after literally spending those 5 hours or whatever it was, I found the key ingredient to make AI work better for you in your content. The great thing is this secret is not only applicable for content, but it also helps you with providing a better customer experience when you want to use AI. It also, funny enough, helps you whenever you're trying to build a product or you're trying to do research to build your product better. In all 3 of these areas, AI needs 2 things to work well in your business. It doesn't need better prompts. You don't need to pay for the fancier model. It actually has absolutely nothing to do with that. And these 2 things are what I've been using to be able to turn my Instagram carousels from being complete garbage to actually looking better, more on brand, and something that I'm proud of. The first is that every AI needs a good example. And the second is that every AI needs to understand your voice and your brand. Think about whenever you hired on maybe your first employee to the team. Before that, you had all these ideas, you knew the vision, you had exact processes that you followed, but now you have to give those to someone else so they can follow along. So what happens is we start to write down, this is our mission, these are our values, this is how we actually contact our customers. These are the steps that you need to do to be successful in our business. And successful businesses have done that forever. They write down the exact steps that people need to be able to operate in that job. But then we go and look at AI and all of a sudden we just expect it to work like it's going to be this amazing agent that can do everything. But really, it's no better than a brand new employee. The thing that's missing is that we first are not putting our data and our frameworks into this AI brain. This is where we're able to upload all of the steps, all the things that we do to successfully execute whatever job it is. For content, it might be for script writing. These are the proven frameworks that every time we do XYZ, we get good content. Or maybe if it's for the customer journey side of things, it could be, these are the email sequences that actually help people to book a call with us. Those are just some examples. You're going to take those frameworks and principles and put them into the AI brain. This really is just a database. It's nothing complicated, super easy to set up. The next thing is that we want to have a brand voice. This is going to be whoever is your main spokesperson. Whoever is showing up, doing social media, actually making videos and talking with the audience. You want their brand voice to be documented. I'm actually doing this with a client right now, starting in the next couple weeks. And we're going to be taking all of her frameworks, all the things that we know performs well from her content, and we're going to upload podcasts, YouTube videos. We're going to take anything that has her voice and upload it to this database. Once we have that and we give it to AI, we give it to Claude, we give it to ChatGPT, it's able to then go look at the database and say, you want to write an email? This is the best framework to write an email, and this is what you actually sound like. Let me get that for you. That is what makes a true AI employee, is that they have proven frameworks and they have your style of doing it. You're not going to sound like your competitor. I hope that you're not going to sound like your competitors, because that's what gives you a unique advantage. It's because it's you. Now, if you're a founder and you're like, I don't know how to do this, that's overwhelming. How do I set up the database? How do I actually upload all my stuff to give it to AI so it can access it? That's okay. That is exactly what I'm doing, is I'm helping founders to be able to turn their frameworks, to be able to turn their voice into a database so that you can start using AI to make your content, to make your customer journey, and to make your products, your consumables 10 times faster. If this is something that you're interested in, I'm going to be hosting a workshop. The goal of this workshop is to help you learn what does it take to be able to set up these processes. This is for non-technical people, not looking for coders out there, looking for people who are like me, have no background in tech, and know that they need to use AI to be successful in 2026. If that's something you're interested in, comment workshop in the description of this video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. And remember, you're in the right place.